Hey, it's Mr. Peace. I'm here at Matapeake Middle School, home of the Stingrays in Stevensville, Maryland. This is my first visit to their campus. I got to share my heart with the students and staff, grades 6 through 8, in the main gym today. And the focus was on positivity. The sub-theme was be your best self. And it's so easy to be positive on days like today. The sun is shining, beautiful weather outside, very hot too. But on days when it's not the best, kind of cloudy, rainy, when there's a lot of storms, it's a lot easier to have that negative mentality. And that's the same thing with our lives, right? Where we can have these storms that are happening in here, in our hearts, and it's not always easy to, keep that positive outlook. It's possible, but a lot of the time, human beings, we focus on the negativity instead of the positivity. So today I really tried to challenge everyone to try to replace some of those negative beliefs, limiting doubts and self-doubt with positive beliefs, right? That if it's that I'm not good enough, not strong enough, not tall enough, not pretty enough, not enough, we turn that into, that I am amazing, that I can do anything, that I am special, that, I am beautiful. And we keep really trying to make that a habit each and every day to be kind to our mind, because whatever we tell our brain and our heart, it's going to believe. We don't want to tell it something negative. We want to tell it something positive. And knowing that we're going to be the people that we speak to the most in our lives ourselves, of course, we want to try to keep focusing on the positive aspects of everyday life. And we also know this means that we try to become fortified at knowing what the opposite of success is as well, which is not failure, which a lot of people thought and think. It's quitting or giving up. But if we keep pushing, if we keep persevering, if we keep giving the effort, we're going to get the results that we want in our lives, right? We have the effort, not always the outcome, but generally 9 times out of 10, 10 times out of 10, if we're giving that full effort each and every day, wherever we are at, we're going to start to see, the outcome that we also truly desire. And the students really did get that. There was a lot of pin drop moments, and it was important that we kind of focused on, not just the attitude aspect, not just the talking to ourselves kindly, but also how we talk to others, knowing that we have the power to uplift or to tear down. And that ties into a concept that I bring up in every assembly, the fact that we're all true miracles, right? All of us with the lines on our hand have the letter M. I trace one of mine here. And it's so important to me, something I bring up in every presentation. Sometimes a faint line connects it, but the M that you do have on your palms with the lines, that stands for miracle, right? Upside down W stands for worthy, that we're all beautiful miracles, worthy of love to both give it and receive it. And once we buy into that, once we truly believe it, now it's up to us, it's our job to go and be that light to someone else's heart, right? And knowing that we can pick up that torch, we have that opportunity to really show this world more positivity, more kindness that it desperately needs. And I think it's also so vital that we understand that true excellence, it's not about being the best, right? It's just about doing your best. You don't always have to get 100%, win the race, get first place. You just got to keep giving your effort, right? Each and every day. And yes, we're going to fall short. Yes, we're going to fail. It doesn't make us a failure. We're going to make mistakes. It doesn't make us mistakes. We just keep trying to believe, right, in who we are and the power that we have to go and not just make our school community a more positive and welcoming environment, but everywhere around us. And I love their acronym here, the RAISE, which is respect, each other, community, and self. And we want to be our best self, right? And if we can all do that, our little part, right, then we start to see this bigger change grow. We start to see the outcome start to just kind of ripple around us, and the positivity continues. So no matter what we've gone through, we'll go through, are currently going through, like the shirt that I wear for this program also says, the words are upside down on purpose, that says keep your head up. Remember to always think positive no matter what. So keep your head up, keep going, finish this school year strong, go into the summer break as well with a positive outlook and mentality, and hope to be back down in the future to share my heart. As always though, thanks for touching my heart, and feel free to hit the subscribe button you'll see pop up on the screen. You can also check out this playlist below for some additional motivation, and feel free to visit my website by clicking on the peace sign symbol on your phone, tablet, wherever you're watching this video, to track my journey across this country as I continue to heal America's heart one school at a time. Peace.